Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve LeetCode 125, that is valid palindrome. As you can see, it's a easy problem. So it has been asked in the companies like Microsoft and Facebook, Uber. Okay, let's see the question. It's saying that uh, the input will be a string and we have to check whether it is a palindrome or not. So what we know is, first we have to understand what palindrome is. So let's take an example and let's uh, first understand what do the question mean by palindrome. Okay, so what palindrome, it's very important part. Half of the question will be solved by understanding what the palindrome means. If a thing lead code or you are new to this, so I can say you this palindrome is nothing but when you reverse a string. Suppose there is a original string. When we reverse it, it should be pronounced same as the original string. That's the definition of palindrome. So I can write here is what I can write for palindrome. Original string is equals to reverse string. Okay, this is the basic institution. uh, I can say like we can take an example. We will take an example and understand. Example is madam. Madam. So if you reverse this, that is we will come back. That is m, here is a, here is d, here is a, and here is m. So when we go forth and we go back, it's pronounced as same. So it is the original string, it is the reverse of it. Okay, this is the reverse, but it looks same, right? So this is the property of palindrome. The both strings will be equal. Same applies for the like numbers also. So some palindromes numbers are like 1 1, or we can have like 1 5 5 1 or 1 5 1. In this way the palindrome applies for both strings and numbers. So let us discuss about considering an example. So for example, the input string will be like this: 1 m a d a, small letter m, and here will be like 1. Okay, the mixture of alphanumeric characters will be given in the input string, and now we have to check whether it is a palindrome or not. When we consider this particular example, what we are seeing is when we reverse it, so 1 will be in the front, m a d a, capital M, and 1. So the both strings is not equal. Why? Because the capital letters in the first place, and here the capital letters in the like n minus 2 place. So what we can do is we have to convert this into small case letter. All the letters should be in one particular format. Either it should be uppercase letters, all the letters, or it should be in the lowercase letters. So let's see what we can do to this question. So they have given as m a d a m 1. So here m is the capital letter. We have to remove this. How to remove this? We see in the code. Okay, we see in the code. It's simple. That is, we have to make a string like clean is equals to empty string. then we have to check if the string contains alphanumeric characters, only then we have to include inside the strings. But before that, before inserting, what we do is we have to uh, lower this. So we have a function called toLower, toLower of this character. Each character we have to pass for in this function. Then we'll get small letters. We'll run a for loop from the here, and we have to check whether it is in the uppercase letter or in the lowercase letter. And not like checking, but we have to just convert to lowercase letters, to lower of ch. Then we have to add this into our empty string. First clean. Okay, we have to check is alum of ch. Here is this is the ch. Okay, ch is equal to 1. Okay, ch is equal to 1. This let's name this string has s. Okay, this name has 1. And what we have is, yeah, 1 is added into the clean because it is, yeah, it's a alum and it is in the lowercase letter. Next we go to the m. Yes, here m is the capital. This function converts the m into small m, then we have to insert it. Now a will be inserted, d will be inserted, likewise all the other characters will be inserted. Now what we have is, we have converted the right, we have converted successfully to the lowercase letter. Now we have to check. Here comes the concept of two pointers. What we do is, we take two pointers. One is the left pointer, one is the right pointer. Okay, so we know that exactly at half, exactly at half, it is the reverse of this, right? 1 ma am1. Okay, it's the reverse of it, exactly at half. If the string is palindrome, exactly at half, it starts reversing the beginning string. Okay, by this what we can do is, we point two pointers. Okay, we point two pointers. Yeah, we have pointed the two pointers, right? We go till this middle character. Okay, and we have to check. Let's check. Left is equal to right. Always it should be true. Left is equal to right. Yes, it's right. Now we have to plus l plus plus r minus minus. You have to place the r, and at the same time we have to do it. Okay, the both the pointer should move at once. Okay, then we have m will be compared. M is equals to m. Yes, then we have to move left, then we have to move right, then we have is equals to a. Yes, then we have to move to d is equal to d. Yes, so what would be the exit condition is, when left moves here and right moves here, left and right surpasses each other, then you have to exit from the loop. So now we have, I hope you understood the intuition behind this. We have to use two pointers approach, and the property is that, you can see, in the middlemost element, from the middlemost element it's the same. This element will be same, this element will be the same to this second most element, this and the last element will be the same, and so on. So we'll run a loop and maintain two pointers will be going approaching towards the middle of the element. Then we can say that it is a palindrome or not. When we find at instance, if we find, if like string right? It's a string, right? Yes. If we have cleaned, in this clean string we have stored, right? If clean of L is not equal to clean of R, if we see this condition satisfied, that is in somewhere, if A is not present here and it's like yes, so yes is not equal to M. So yes is equal to A, no, right? So this condition satisfies, we have to return false inside the loop, or else we have to run the loops, and at the end of the loop we have to return true. Let's code this. Let's code this into the environment and check the edge cases. So yeah, we are into the environment here. Now let's code. We have to create a string that is empty, clean. Okay, I will off this. Clean, oh sorry, clean is equals to empty. Are you able to see it? I will zoom it a little bit. Okay, now you can will be able to see it, right? Okay, clean is equal to MC string. Now we have to run a for loop, right? For character in S. Okay, we have to symbol this character in S. So we have given you the string, right? Then what we have to do is we have to check first whether the given string has alphanumeric characters. Yes. If it is yes, we have to add, we have to convert the ch to the lowercase, and we have to add this to the our clean string. Okay, this part we have converted. In this part, converting uppercase to lowercase and adding only alphanumeric characters to the empty string. Now it's the two pointers logic starts from here. Two pointers logic. So we will initialize two pointers, int left. Okay, L is equals to 0 and int R is equals to what we have, clean, right? Clean dot, what we have is clean dot length, right? For size we have, we use size for arrays and for vectors, and we have use strings -1. Okay, hopefully it's right. And let's run a while loop. While left less than R, we go, and then if we have seen if any two pointers value is not equal to each other, then just we have to return false. Okay, so we'll place the pointers normally, and after exiting the loop, if all the values are equal to each other, then it is obviously a palindrome, right? So we have to return true. Yes, it is palindrome. Okay, now let's check the code. Yeah, fine, everything is fine, right? Okay. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, let's test this. So there is an error. Okay, okay, we have to initialize this string. Yeah, now let's test this. This is the string they have been given and it's returns true. Okay, now submit. We have to see the edge cases we have covered. Yeah, as you can see, 488 by 488, all the cases have been passed. Okay, this is the solution for this. Hope you have liked the video. Thanks.